In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can schedule content on Instagram. You can simply set to any time you would like to upload on Instagram. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's say you would like to upload this post right here. On this page, simply scroll down onto the last option of Advanced Settings. Then you will have to tap on this first option of Schedule this post. Enable this option on. Then select the date and time you want the particular post to be uploaded on your Instagram account. Your post will get scheduled successfully. That's how easy it is to schedule your Instagram content. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.